Hey everyone, it's Gilad, the product manager from the last recording. This time I'm going to talk about views and filters. The views, the idea of them is to give you some initial steps to start your exploration, but of course something that can be managed and customized based on your needs. We have 8 views that we support by default. You can see that we have this Prisma logo for it. Once someone created a view, he has this indication that it was a custom one. So you can see that we have our first 6 views. We have overview that is going to include all of these 5 code categories. We have IC misconfigurations, we have vulnerabilities, we have secrets, we have licenses, and we have build integrity. Each one of them look the same in terms of the experience, and we have similar capabilities in some cases, but each one of them has its own unique experience, its own unique capabilities as well. It allows you to take the right decisions of how you can fix an issue, resolve an issue in a certain level. And we have these 2 views that allows you also to go to on a specific pull request or a specific CI/CD run. And actually all of our deep links from your GitHub or from your Jenkins is going to straight to this particular views in order to have a better exploration experience when it comes to a failed blocked scan of ours in third-party tools. So if you go to the overview, what we should mention that all of the views are based currently on the combination of the filters. So each time that you update the values, it means that it's going to be saved for a single view, both for the default ones and the custom ones. And what I wanted to show you is the filters that we support. Worth mentioning that before I do that, sort by and group by. Today, we support only one way to do that, but in the upcoming month or two, we're going to support additional sorting and grouping. So it means that you'll be able to also to save as part of your view the group method and the sort method. Let's review which filters I have here. So we have for the default branch scanning all these 6 views. We have the code category. For each of these 5, it's disabled, so it has only one that is selected. But for overview, CI/CD runs, and PR scans, we have all these 5 available to be filtered. We have our issue status that I'm going to elaborate in a different video in the entire flow. And we have severities, of course. And now I just added the Git user. We can actually filter based on the Git users that we find that committed misconfigured code. So this is an example. We have this Alexander that pushed this misconfigured code. So me as a developer, I can go and search my specific issues and start resolving them as well. The other filters that we also support is vulnerability risk factors. So basically you can say that you want to look at all of the CVEs that has this DOS as something that we should introduce. You can see also that all of our vulnerabilities are sorted by the CVSS. You can also see that we have IC categories that are the well-known categories. I can just go and filter based on a specific category. Let's see if we have drift in this account. No, but I guess something that is more common, like storage, for instance, is something that we'll be able to look at. Yeah, so we have storage policies here. We also have it for file types. We also have IC labels that allows you to look at custom policies that you can create, or look at everything that you have fix available for them, both for the smart fixes and our automated fixes. You can also look on a specific tag. Let's see if we have a tag for environment dev, for instance. I want to look at only on my resources in my that are only dev and not prod. I can decide just to suppress all of them if I want to. By the way, we can have an example to do it in another video. So this is most of it, but feel free to have some questions. Bye bye.